In the shadow of their branches, all men lived in peace, and wisdom and knowledge was theirs, and the revelation of the endless light. Through their forests flowed the eternal river, and in the center stood the tree of life.
Now the desert sweeps the earth with burning sand. The giant trees are dust and ash, and the wide river is a pool of mud. For the sacred covenant with the Creator was broken by the sons of men, and they were banished from their home in the trees. Now into the burning desert come the children of light, to labor in the garden of the brotherhood. The seed they plant in the barren soil will become a mighty forest, and trees shall multiply and spread their wings of green until the whole earth be covered once again